In complete denial over Assaultgate, Arvind Kejriwal will lead AAP protest over what he calls deliberate targeting of AAP leaders. In the national capital, he had said yesterday that he would march to the BJP office. And in the latest development, Delhi police has informed that no permission has been sought for this march. They will not be allowed to proceed towards the BJP headquarters. Meanwhile, security has been beefed up in the national capital. We have my colleague Akhil live with us. We'll go to Akhil for more developments. AAP top brass marching to BJP headquarters. What are the arrangement? What is the motive? And how will Delhi police obstruct this march? Akhil?
Well, absolutely. If you see, Delhi police has issued a statement that no earlier permission was asked from the Aam Aadmi Party side for the protest. What we have seen earlier that right now I'm just standing outside Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's residence. So what has happened yesterday evening that when Bibhav Kumar was arrested in the afternoon, and then he was supposed to appear in the Tees Hazari Court, and he was appeared in Tees Hazari Court, and after that Tees Hazari Court sent him up for a 5-day police custody. And in that investigation, when the investigation continued, the police team, while according to our sources, has revealed that the information which is supposed to be inside the Delhi Chief Minister's house, which include the CCTV footage, which is a very crucial evidence, is supposed to be missing right now. And Aam Aadmi Party senior leader Swati Maliwal, who is a victim in this case, was assaulted by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's PA, Mr. Bibhav Kumar, tweeted last night saying that the crucial evidence in this case was missing. And apart from that, the video which Aam Aadmi Party shared is on its Twitter timeline is an edited one, and they have shared just 49 seconds of clip. So that's not the complete story. And if you see, she has been further claiming that Aam Aadmi Party is deliberately trying to malign her image, and apart from that, she's saying that they're trying to distort the facts. So if you see the entire sequence of events, when that incident took place on May 13, after that, the second day, what we saw that Mr. Bibhav Kumar, who is a very close aide to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, was along with him in Lucknow when Kejriwal was supposed to address. And when reporters over there asked him this question in this matter, he ducked that question. And then when Kejriwal went to Mumbai to address a rally of the India Alliance, there what we saw that he also, when Mr. Bibhav Kumar, who is a woman assaulter, he also went over there. And according to our police sources, that was the point in Mumbai only when Mr. Bibhav Kumar, who is an accused in this case, has formatted his phone. And that crucial evidence was destroyed over there at that point of time itself. So the police team is still investigating, and it is yet to be seen that whether the Delhi police investigating team will take Mr. Bibhav Kumar to Mumbai or not. It is yet to be seen in that case. Yes.
Thank you, Akhil. We'll move on to Gopi, who will give us developments from the Aam Aadmi Party office on what is their plan of action for the day and how this Assaultgate has been politicized yet again. Gopi, what details do we have on the AAP's intentions for the day?
So the recent update from the Aam Aadmi Party office here is Delhi police has not sought any permission. They've not given any permission to move towards the BJP headquarters, which they had planned. I would want my VJ to show the rapid action force arrangement which has been made here. There's also a riot control vehicle present here. So just in case if AAP fails to follow the instructions of Delhi police, the security here is beefed up. To bring things in perspective, yesterday there was a lot of discussion and heated arguments that had happened in the Tees Hazari court yesterday. Bibhav's lawyers had said that there is a particular problem with respect to data being erased. The Tees Hazari court had questioned that why is the data erased, and Delhi police had asked for 7 days custody because they would have to go to Delhi to acquire the deleted data, to get the clone of deleted data. So with respect to this, Tees Hazari court has given 5 days custody and they've given time of 5 days to Delhi police to acquire the erased data of Bibhav Kumar. From the Aam Aadmi Party office, I repeat, no permission has been given by the Delhi police to the Aam Aadmi Party members to proceed towards the BJP headquarters. Security here is beefed up and security at the BJP office is also beefed up. We'll be back with the latest updates. Back to you.
We'll keep our colleagues tuned in for developments of the AAP top brass heading towards BJP headquarters later amid beefed up security by Delhi police on obstructions, as she repeated that they would not be allowed to do so. We also have our colleague Akriti from Swati Maliwal's residence. Abhijit from Swati Maliwal's residence. What is the update from Maliwal's residence there, Abhijit? And has Delhi cops been making their visits for any probe? Has she been called to the police station? What is the scenario? Where is the victim of assault gate?
Well, yes, after last evening when Bibhav Kumar was sent in 5 days police custody, we are at Swati Maliwal's residence, and there was a police team, Delhi police team, including the senior officials who were here in the morning around 7:30, 8 a.m., who were here to meet Swati Maliwal. And Delhi police is now in the process of corroborating all these statements, which were the allegations made by Swati Maliwal. Meanwhile, Bibhav Kumar is also being interrogated. So about his phone and why did he actually formatted his phone, and since the Delhi police has been saying that the CCTV from the CM's residence is also missing. So the police is also coming here to meet Swati Maliwal and trying to corroborate her statements, her allegations against Bibhav's alleged assault on May 13 inside the Delhi CM residence. So far the update from here is that the Delhi police was here in the morning to meet Swati Maliwal, and we'll have to wait and see if the team comes back again to corroborate any other further angle that is to be investigated here. Back to you.
Thank you, Abhijit. We'll go back to Gopi, who's reporting us live from the Aam Aadmi Party office. Aam Aadmi Party had said they would march towards the BJP headquarters by 12 noon. It came in a video statement released by AAP Supremo last evening, where he obviously was mum about the assault gate, but definitely targeted the BJP for having the custody of, for Delhi police to have the custody of his top aide, Bibhav Kumar. Gopi, what is the update from the AAP office in the national capital?
Security is beefed up here. I would request my VJ to just show you that there's riot control vehicle here, there's RAF, there's also Delhi police deployment. To repeat this for the viewers, Delhi police has not given any permission to the Aam Aadmi Party to march towards the BJP headquarters. While talking about what has been happening since past 3 days, obviously we know that Bibhav Kumar is a strong protection of the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, because obviously because of obvious reasons. To bring about the history of Bibhav Kumar, he also has filed on him for hitting the government officials in 2007, to which LG had given a circular on 10th April that he should be removed from the position of being the personal assistant of Delhi Chief Minister. So putting these things together, yes, there are strong allegations.
होता है जो उसे पसंद नहीं है या कम से कम वो कहती है, तो उसमें पूरा का पूरा इस बात को प्रमाण करना कि ऐसा नहीं हुआ है, ये उस पर हो जाता है जिस पर वो महिला आरोप लगाती है। उस समय हम में से कई लोगों ने कहा कि इस तरीके का कानून ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन क्योंकि बवाल मचा हुआ था सड़कों में, शीला जी पे कांग्रेस पर यही सब लोग मिलकर उंगलियां उठा रहे थे, तो एक कानून बन गया। तो उस कानून के तहत आज कम से कम ये कहा जाता है कि अगर कोई महिला कहती है कि मेरे साथ दुर्व्यवहार हुआ है, तो उसकी बात को प्रामाणिक रूप से, प्राथमिक रूप से सच मानते हुए जिस पर ये उंगली उठाई जा रही है उसे ये सिद्ध करना पड़ेगा